Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. We're going to revisit the Fitbit line. Inside the box is the Fitbit Charge 4. It actually came out last year, but for one reason or another, I just didn't want to try it. I tried the Versa, the Sense, the Versa 2. I tried some other Fitbit tracker, not a watch, but I originally started with Fitbit. This is the first tracker I had, the Fitbit 1, which doesn't work anymore. But let's take a look at the Charge 4, and then we're going to go back in time to 2018, 2016. I'll throw the date up on the screen. I actually ended up buying two different versions of the Charge 2. So in this video, I'll unbox the newest one first, the Charge 4, and who knows, maybe in a week or so the Charge 5 will come out and I'll have to buy another one. But and then I'll show you a lost unboxing video that I found of me when I bought the Charge 2 again, because I guess I sold it and then I wanted it back, so I bought two of them. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at the Charge 4 fitness tracker by Fitbit. All right, here we go. Fancy letter opener. Nice packaging, built-in GPS and Fitbit Pay. So this is the special edition Fitbit Charge 4. Let's see what it does here. Includes black classic band. Nice. 24/7 heart rate tracking, battery life up to 7 days, sleep tracking with sleep score, Fitbit Pay, swim proof. Nice. And yes, I am going to test it in the pool. So here you go. There's the big summary. Let's see what's inside. Oh, you don't need a knife. They have a little pull tab, just like Apple. Another pull tab. Love it. A box within a box. Get started in the Fitbit app. Nice little card. Welcome to the Fitbit family. Smells nice. Guessing this would be the proprietary charger. A little clamp. And it comes with a large band, silicone band with large strap. Nice. And then, it's light. You know, I can probably compare this, not apples to apples, but Samsung to Fitbit. This is a similar tracker. I'll have to get the scale. $199 Fremont Street, 14th floor, San Francisco. Okay, so I guess if you just find this on the street, you know where to take it back. And it does have a hardware button. I love this band. It's almost like recycled plastic. Soft. Let's smell it. Yeah, smells like, well. Okay, so it kind of has the same type of button as a Fitbit Sense, where it's like a button on the side. It's kind of like haptic feedback. So I'll press and hold that. Come on, turn on. Guess I'm gonna have to charge it. But the band itself, just clip on. That's pretty nice. So if I needed the longer band, I would just clip that off, clip that on. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Really flexible. Build quality is good. There's all the sensors, charger. Well, let's charge this up and then do a quick setup. But that's the unboxing. How long is the charging cable? Nice. You know, the charging cable, since we're talking about the Samsung, the charging cable for the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, way too small. So this is, what is that? That's about 18 inches, and this was only 6. So Samsung, make them longer like this. That's nice. So I can just plug this into the side of my computer, but unfortunately I have a Mac, so that's not gonna work. But luckily I am an Apple fan, so I have plenty of these around the house. I'm gonna charge it with this gentle 5 water. All right, let's see what happens. You know, instead, I'm going to use this low watt portable battery by Hokanui. That way you can see the boot up screen. I don't have to move my tripod. There we go. Oh, I just felt a buzz. Oh, it's a little smiley face. That is cute. I normally put my phone into airplane mode when I'm filming, and I was in a rush and I didn't, so that killed the video feed. So we should get a pop-up. We did, that's funny, we did on the Samsung, but not on the Apple. Looks like we'll have to manually do it. Premium, community. Click on my name, set up device. Charge 4. There's a Fitbit Sense connected to your account already. Switching? Yes. Switch to charge 4. Fitbit privacy? Sure. Accept. Charge your Fitbit 4. Oh, and it gives a nice diagram. Thanks, Fitbit. Searching. Searching. Found it. 1841. There's nothing like a good out-of-box experience. That was funny how it quickly sent that notification to the Samsung, but not the Apple, but that's all right. I'm always curious to see how much juice comes with these devices. Allow to display, protect your device, not now. New features, Smart Awake, nice. Preserve charge for battery life when you carry your phone during workouts, okay. Display on settings, nice. Try it on, next. Swipe up. Okay, so there's the tutorial. Press button. So they call it a button on the left. Swipe down, okay. Swipe right to switch widgets and whatnot. Swipe left. Clean your band and wrist regularly. Regularly, that's a hard word for me to say. If your charge on a normal basis. If your charge 4 gets wet, remove it and dry it completely after your activity. Take occasional breaks. Now the reason they tell you this is because of the notorious scandal back in 2014 with the Fitbit Force. Learn about the Charge 4. Done. Location, open settings, always. So it says battery medium, but if you go back to the main screen and scroll down, 55%. So it came at about 50%, but it wouldn't fully turn on. Oh good, it does have tap to wake. I like the display. It's a pretty nice contrast. Okay, best part. See that? It comes with 6,792 steps on the device. Fitbit knows how to do it. The steps that I got on my phone during the day, it's now 2022, so I don't start off the day at 0. I start off the day with the steps I got on my phone, and it shows the battery percent on the device. Really liking that. Yeah, I like the display so far. So we'll see how long this takes to charge. They normally recommend you charge it fully, as much as I just want to wear it and get some more stats, but I'm gonna go read a book. See you in about 10 or 15 minutes. Almost a full hour later, and it's still not fully charged. And then it was giving me this sync error, and then I click fix it. Safari can't open, but it is at 99%. And it's been at 99% for, well, 11 minutes. I'm hoping it kind of notifies the app on my iPhone and lets me know when it's fully charged. I do like the charging graphic, animation, whatever you want to call it. So that's kind of cool. Good job, Fitbit. So I don't know how I'm supposed to fix that, but when in doubt, just close all your apps and reopen. Couldn't sync your charge for. Fix it. Fix it, Felix. Alright, I finally got it to reach 100%. I unplugged it and plugged it into the car cigarette lighter, and now it's finally 100%. And step target reached. A little gamification by Samsung. And that's what the screen looks like for the Fitbit Charge. If I swipe left, I can see the time, distance, lapse time, lap distance. Come on, focus iPhone. Zone minutes, same as intensity minutes for Garmin, if you're familiar with that. And my pace. So if I start to walk, there we go. So right now it's using kind of assisted GPS to save battery life, and it's piggybacking off the GPS of my iPhone, which I'm currently filming on as I take a moonlight walk. I don't know, I just really wanted to get 10,000 steps on my first night. Now, because this is a fitness tracker, similar to the Samsung, once you're in the workout mode, you cannot leave the workout mode, but you know, not a big deal. Well, I made my goal and change. So 10,000 ended up with 12,000. It is now 23:53. Come on, devices, wakey wakey. I don't know why raise to wake is not working. Oh, it's in bedtime mode, that's why. 23:54, time for bed. I'm wearing the Apple Watch to compare the sleep data with that, along with Garmin on my ankle, and then side by side Samsung and Fitbit. Good night. Well, my first night with the Fitbit Charge was an epic fail. Still quite early in the morning, not even 0600. The Fitbit Charge 4 died sometime during the night. From what I remember, I was on my late night walk and I was using GPS. I was in a walk workout, and then I changed the watch face. Well, it ended the workout, so I thought. But what I think happened was that the workout kept going in the background and then it just drained the battery over the last 6 hours. So it didn't track my sleep. Well, we'll have to charge it. I'm going to charge the watch and see what happened. And then when I opened up the Fitbit app, it synchronized at some point, and the watch was at 4%. So let's take a look at that. Syncing your Fitbit Charge 4, and there's that 4% I was talking about. And then it's going to air out because my Fitbit is dead. And if I click on my little name icon and then go to Charge 4, sync today at 0300, almost 0400. battery empty. I'll charge it. I'll charge the Charge 4, and then we can see if it tracked any data or what went wrong. About 45 minutes later, the battery life finally got above 50%, and Fitbit allowed me to update it. So that's good. And there it is, updating. I accept. Set up your charger. Yep, did that. Might take 30 minutes. And now we wait. Once again, it's fully charged. Got the little smiley face. It took a long time to charge. I don't know why it took so long. So now we can pop it out of this case. Not a big fan of this little charging clamp thing, because right there has the little 2 prongs and it doesn't quite line up. I mean, it kind of does. You can see there's a small divot right there, but they just should have used a magnet, or even better, they should have used Qi wireless, because there are so many of these little clamps and proprietary chargers by Fitbit and Samsung and Garmin, and it's just a bummer because then you lose one or it breaks and you just throw it away, and just, yes, it creates electronic waste. I know, I can't believe I went there, but I did. Yeah, electronic waste. Fitbit, let's use more universal chargers next time. Yeah. But now it's fully charged. It's 8:26 in the morning. I need to get back to work. And I don't know how I feel about this device yet. I'll get back to you on that. And the end of day 3 with this Fitbit Charge 4. I like it. I'm still formulating, creating my opinion on it. I haven't worn a Fitbit since the Versa 3 and the Fitbit Sense, which I tried forever ago, last fall in 2020. But yeah, I reached my 10,305 steps today, so that's good. I love how lightweight it is. I don't mind the profile or the shape so much as far as a fitness tracker goes. And I've had a little bit of experience of that. I'll show you the others in time. I wore it on my right wrist all day, right next to this Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. So, and I'll be doing a comparison video between the two soon. So, that's about it. It's getting late here, and I'm gonna head off to bed. I need to charge it though. It was fully charged yesterday morning, and that was at about 8:30 a.m. So that was Tuesday morning, and now it's Wednesday evening. So it made it a full 24 hours, and another, let's see, 24, 8, that would be... So it made it a day and a half. But I did have it on cycling mode for 90 minutes yesterday, and then I did another hour of GPS walking. So in total about 3 hours of GPS, and then I'm running SpO2 tracking at night, all day heart rate, and then I just have the display on auto. Initially I'm kind of disappointed in the battery life, but it does charge quickly. So I'm going to quickly charge it while I get ready for bed, and I'll have more info for you soon. That is the end of part 1, and tomorrow I'll wrap up the rest of the thoughts and we'll go from there. So good night and thanks for watching.